Hello, in this video just want to give you a quick tour of the new features that we've added to the latest release of Backlink Miner. So let's just hop right in. One of the major things that we added is more backlink sources. So we've added two new backlink sources, and you click on settings, you can get a look at those. So we've added SEO Kicks and Blecko, and of course we still use SEO Moz as well. SEO Kicks has a very surprisingly good backlink database to pull from. So we included them, and then Blecko also has a pretty good backlink database as well. So all three of these combined, you're going to be able to get a lot more backlinks. So let's just take a look at that. So we'll just enter a domain, and we'll start pulling the data. And as always, we pull the summary data from the major providers, and then we start pulling data from the other backlink sources. This, depending on how many backlinks a domain has, this could take the time it takes to extract these will take longer, but normally within 30 seconds to a minute, all the data will be pulled. Now we're pulling data from Blecko, and then once this retrieves the backlinks from all three sources, it will eliminate the duplicates, and then we'll dump all the data to the results here. So as you can see, normally the max number of backlinks we were able to pull was 1,000, and so for PC tools we've actually now pulled over 13,000 backlinks. So it's a major improvement, and depending on the domain, some domains you'll be able to get a lot more than this, 20, 30,000 backlinks. It just all depends on how many backlinks the various providers have. So that's the main update, and we're always going to be working to improve that to get you more backlinks and more sources. So we think that's a very major improvement. Let's see, another metric that we added, we stuck it under the link penalty group. I'm not really sure it fits there, but we had filled up the link quality section. So under link penalty, you'll see a link exists metric. And if you check that, what it does is it will now check to see if the link, this link to PC tools, or just to make sure the backlink still actually exists. So you can scan those and eliminate or hide the backlinks that are no longer active and alive. So we added that in. We think that'll be something very useful for people as well. One other, I'm not going to show it here, but one other minor thing that we updated was for the outbound link count. We, under outbound links for this metric right here, what we did is previously we capped it at 100 links. If it detected more than 100 outbound links, it would just say 100 plus. Due to feedback from people, we've actually increased that, so it'll count up to 250 backlinks, external backlinks on a page, and after that it'll just show 250 plus. So some people wanted to be able to see a little more, or know that there's a little more than 100 links, that exact number. Let's see, we've included the ability to import data from Ahrefs and Majestic. So if you have an account with either one of these providers, you can export the data from there and import it into Backlink Miner. Then we added the ability to import your own list of URLs. So say you're using a tool like Scrapebox or some other tool where you scraped a lot of backlinks or a lot of URLs. All you need to do is dump all those to a CSV file with one URL per line, and then you can import that data and to import those links into Backlink Miner and analyze those individual URLs. And then the last major addition that we made was the ability to search by keyword. So as you can see, we added this up here. You can enter a domain URL or keyword. So if you enter something like yoga mats and you hit start, what will happen is we go out and we scrape the top 10 results from Google, and that takes just a little bit of time here. And we also pull some metrics as well, mainly page authority, domain authority, number of backlinks to the specific page, and also the page rank of the URL ranking in Google. So that takes a little bit of time to pull that data. And then after that data is pulled, we can then decide whether here are the results from the top 10 of Google. We've got the page title, the URL, the position, page authority, domain authority, backlinks, and the URL page rank. And then what we can do here is by default all the URLs are selected. So what that means is if you want to pull all the backlinks for these specific pages ranking in Google, you can. Or if there's some you don't want to pull backlinks for, you can just uncheck them or check them all. So what we'll do now is we're going to pull the backlinks. There's not too many backlinks for this specific keyword phrase for the results ranking in Google, at least according to SEO Moz. We pull the link data from SEO Moz. So we want to extract all the backlinks for all 10 of these URLs, and then we'll take a closer look in a second. Now this will take a bit of time since we're pulling the information for 10 URLs from 3 different sources. So it just chugs along on its way. And then when it's complete, which we'll finish up here in a second, we'll close and add the backlinks to our results table. Okay, so now we have all the backlinks pulled. We just say close and analyze backlinks. We've added all the backlinks data for all of those different URLs. And so now what you can do is you just pick your metrics as always and click Start, and it will analyze all the backlinks that were pulled from that top 10 result in Google. So this is a way where you can analyze all the sites ranking in the top 10 for Google and analyze their backlinks all at once. So those are the major additions that we've added. We've also included the column here letting you know which data source the link is from. And that's about it for the update. The one other thing that we've added that I didn't show here is we've added live updating. So when we have new updates now, you'll no longer have to uninstall the software and reinstall the new software. We'll just deliver the updates to you, and when the software launches, if there's an update, you'll be notified, and then you can install the update. So that's it. That's for the latest release of Backlink Miner. We still have a lot more ideas planned and things that we're working on behind the scenes to bring you the best backlink analysis software around. Thanks a lot.